Hello, what's up, my friends? Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video, we have a look of Ecomi or Omi coin. What's the price since goes in a Omi network? What's the high price in? What is the current status of Omi coin at this time? We have a look. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please make sure to subscribe ADS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about cryptocurrency markets. As you can see here, the last one day price predictions of the Omi coin. Oh my god, what's this? I'm very sad to see this kind of changes. As you can see here, the last one day change is in negative 4.76%. Unbelievable change occur in a Omi coin. As you can see here, if you look the high price, so 0.00811 the USD dollar is the high price of the Omi coin. That's the price change occur in the Omi coin in the last one day. I'm a holder of Omi coin. That's why I'm very sad. I'm very sad to look this kind of changes occur in the Omi coin. As you can see here, continuously fast occur in a Omi coin. As you can see here, continuously fast occur in a Omi coin. So that is why the change is very badly and a negative 4%. Now let's see the current status of the Omi coin. Let's check it out. The last 1 hour price predictions. What's the change goes in the last 1 hour, friends? The last 1 hour price predictions is also in negative because continuously, as I told you, as you can see, the graph continuously fast down, continuously fast down, friend. That is why the change is in continuously negative. Last 1 hour price prediction, that is this time the price predictions as negative 3.25% false occur change occur in a network at this time, and the high price of Omi coin is $0.007671 USD dollar is the high price of Omi coin in the last 1 hour, friends. So friends, according to the price predictions, as you know, the changes is a negative, but you have to hold Omi coin at this time. You have to work from be patient. Don't sell it at this time, because as you know you are also in the lows because the changes as a negative. So my suggestion for you to please hold your Omi coin with the last of this month. The big explosion are coming soon, so wait for the big pumps, the big jump, and the big explosion of the Omi coin. And that is why my suggestion for you to please hold it. What's your opinion about Omi coin? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.